G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, at the moment I'm doing some work on the house, so I've been cutting back on the YouTube a bit. Got to get these things done. I'm making up a new side gate for the driveway out of some 50 by 3 square section. Yeah, it's coming up alright, it's good. Just using the old stick welder, and anyway, the gate's done. I did the support for it, the post, the standalone post, quite a while back, and so now I've just got to make some hinges up, and yeah, I could even do a video on that. I'll see how we go for time. But anyway, all this welding, I did this with the AC welder. You can see I've got an AC and a DC over there. Oh, I prefer to use the AC because you can burn it in better on steel, and I just weld a hell of a lot better with AC than DC. DC's great on thin stuff, but if you want to do some heavy stuff or dirty stuff or magnetic stuff, anything that's a bit suspect, well, go with the AC and you'll have no trouble. But yeah, DC, you know, arc blow, Jesus, you always get an arc blow. Anyway, I'm deviating from what this video is about. As you can see, I've got to clean up now. I finished the job, and next thing is painting, and I just put some etch primer on. So I'll put all this stuff away, and then I'm going to run the magnetic broom around. I'll show you just how much stuff it picks up, because I've been using angle grinders. You can see them on the back of the ute there. Been welding on the back of the ute. I use this as a work area now, because the old girl's not registered, and yeah, it's worth more standing there as a work area than for scrap, really. But so anyway, I'll clean up all the gear, put that away, and then I'll run the magnetic broom in and show you what it picks up. You know, I've been doing a lot of grinding and carrying on. It won't pick up the slag from the rods because obviously, you know, it's not magnetic, so you have to use a broom on that. But it'll pick up everything else, and you'll be surprised how much it picks up, because that doesn't look too bad down there. I'll zoom in on it. Yeah, so all this area down here is all the grindings have been shooting over that way. Big grinding, so the stuff flies into towards the garden. And now, I'll tidy up and I'll run the broom in. It's very impressive, that thing. I use it a lot. It's awesome, because the trouble with grindings is, on cement, if you don't sweep them, if you can't get them up with a broom very easily, so unless you use a magnetic broom or something, if it rains, you get all these rust marks all over your cement, even though you can't see the damn things here because the cement's, you know, obviously dirty and dark colour from grit and stuff. So yeah, the magnetic broom's the only way you're going to be sure that you've got the stuff up, and yeah, we'll do it. Hang in there. That's off the ute. Do the ground now. Alright, we'll come in close and see what it picked up. So yeah, it picked all that up, which is quite a bit. So I just emptied on the garden, Just pull the lever up. All gone. You can see down there what it's picked up, you know. Do the garden good. Put some iron in the soil. So there you go. Well worth having one of these. Yep. A1.